Hello, let's talk about the home buying process. According to the Census Bureau, 65.9% of Americans own a home. And if you are watching this video, you are probably thinking about buying yours soon. Questions like, I want to buy a house. Where do I start? What are the steps to buy a house will be answered in this video. Today, I will share the home buying process to prepare and prevent you from any surprises when you are ready to become a homeowner. You will learn all the steps until you receive your new home keys. I am Sylvia Basso, your local real estate agent in Texas. Welcome back to my channel where I provide the latest tips and tricks for navigating the real estate market. Also, I give some tours of lovely places you can try out when you visit or move to Fort Worth, Texas. The first step is to do a financial analysis and define your budget. The first step in the home buying process is to know your finances and how much you are willing to spend. It is essential to know how much you can probably afford. Consider factors like your income, savings, your monthly expense, your debt, your budget, and your credit score. This exercise will help you set realistic expectations and avoid financial stress during the transaction. The second step is to find a lender. After your financial analysis, you know how much you can afford monthly, but you need to find a financial institution ready to lend you that money. This step involves working with a lender who will assess your financial situation and give you the pre-approval letter. This letter shows sellers that you are serious and qualified buyer and also tells you how much house you can afford according to your unique situation. In the US, you can shop around. You are free to get pre-approved by different lenders to analyze their terms and pick the one that better fits your needs. The step 3 is to define your home preferences. Now that you find a lender ready to finance your next purchase and know how much house you can purchase according to the pre-approval letter, it is time to define your home preferences. Consider factors such as location, size of the house, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any specific amenities or characteristics you desire. Separate your needs and wants. This step will help you stay focused and make informed decisions when evaluating potential properties. I can't stress enough how much time you will save by doing this small analysis. The step 4 is my favorite. Find a realtor. Now that your budget and your house preferences are clearly defined, it is time to find a professional and trustworthy realtor. Look for local real estate agents who understand your needs. Their expertise will be invaluable in helping you find your dream home and facing any challenges along the way. Remember, buying a house could be one of the most expensive purchases you will ever make. So learn from others' mistakes by working with a real estate agent. Usually, before a realtor works with you, you will sign a buyer representation agreement. A buyer representation agreement is a legal document that formalizes your working relationship with a particular real estate agent. Step 5, the house hunting and making offer. With your agent by your side, it is time to start house hunting. Your realtor will provide a list of properties matching your preferences and arrange viewings. When you find a home you like, it is time to make an offer. Keep in mind the price range the lender qualifies you for. Your agent will guide you through the price analysis and the negotiation process, ensuring you make a competitive offer while protecting your interests. They will handle all the paperwork and communicate with the seller's agent on your behalf. Step 6, home inspection and closing. Once your offer is accepted, it is time for the due diligence period. During this time, You need to make sure that the property you are buying is in good shape. A home inspection will tell you what is happening, so hire a home inspector who will check the house and review his report with you. This is a crucial step to ensure no hidden issue or major repairs are needed. Your agent will help you negotiate repairs with the seller if any concern arise. Ultimately, we arrive at the final phase. Here, all essential legal and financial paperwork is finalized. Beforehand, the lender will appraise the property to verify its value aligns with the amount they are willing to finance through the mortgage. They want to make sure the price you will pay is not over the house appraised value. Throughout this process, your realtor and the closing agent will provide guidance, ensuring a smooth and timely closing. In a closing, the real estate transaction is completed. All paperwork will be signed by you and the other party involved. And voila, you are the new owner. Congratulations. Remember that having a real estate agent beside you is necessary to make well-informed choices and realize your wish of buying a house. If you have any question or need more guidance, feel free to leave a comment below and remember to subscribe for more helpful real estate content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.